What's an easy way to give your website an SEO boost? I'll answer that question this week on Website Wednesday. Hello, my name is Matthew Rodella, and this is Website Wednesday, your weekly destination for tips and tricks on how to improve your business website. You know, SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it should be an important aspect of your overall web marketing goals. After all, if people can't find your services when they search for them in Google, then you're going to miss out on a lot of potential leads and clients. But getting to the top of relevant search results can be difficult, and the things you need to do to get there can also be confusing. You know, we'll cover a lot of SEO topics in future Website Wednesday videos, but today I want to talk about an easy tip that you can execute on your website right now to get some quick SEO wins. What's the tactic? It's called interlinking. Now, before I get into how to execute interlinking on your website, I just wanted to quickly discuss linking in general. You know, the internet is built on a foundation of web pages linking to one another. The way pages link to each other is also a key factor in how Google determines the relevance of your search page for a given search keyword. In basic terms, the more pages that link to your page, the more relevance Google assumes that it has. It's actually way more complicated than that, but that's just a general idea of how linking works in relationship to Google. Now, getting other websites to link to your website is very important, but that's generally hard to do. However, you have complete control over your own website pages. So why not add more links to your own pages from other pages? The best way to do this is to add more contextual links or links inside the main content of your pages wherever they make sense. So for example, if you have a website about dog training and you wanted to, say you had a page about how to teach your dog how to sit, and on that page you talk about using positive reinforcement as part of your training methods. You might want to link that word positive reinforcement to another page on your website where you talk about that topic. That's just a quick example of what you can do. What you want to do is go through all of the pages on your website and try to add, 1, 2, or 3 contextual relevant links in your page to other pages on your website, wherever it makes sense. What this does is it builds a web of links that Google will see when it crawls your website, and it will use that to improve the overall relevancy of all of your pages in the eyes of Google. That's a quick win for your website SEO. What do you think? Leave me a comment below this video to let me know what you think of this tip. Do you agree that it's a quick win and an easy way to boost your SEO? Let me know how you're going to execute it on your own website. Also, tune in next week where I'm going to talk about things to consider when choosing images for your website. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me here so that you can keep up with the latest videos, and I'll see you next week on Website Wednesday.